Alright, so putting fiber in this house. That's where the fiber net is at. That's what the house looks like right there. I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna drop the fiber line down that wall to the left of that outlet. Go in the attic, drill through the top plate. The top plate is underneath those two 2x4s. That's why I drill through there. Push your fish sticks down through that hole. Push the wall caddy on the sheetrock. Cut out the hole. Pull out the fish sticks. I actually struggle doing that for some reason. Drill through the soffit. Use a 1-inch bit here. The soffit is directly above the nid, so we can just put conduit straight up. Put the fiber in there. Put a little loop so it doesn't fall off. Run the fiber through the soffit. Make sure it's not in a place where people might trip. Tape it to the fish stick. And then we go downstairs, pull the fish stick down with the fiber. And here we're gonna put the wall caddy in. Make sure it clicks in there. Click and click. And what's next here? I gotta strip the fiber, strip it again, cleave it. I'm gonna put that quick connect on there. And it works fine, just like that. So don't nobody say shit about that. Put a keystone on the wall plate. Put the wall plate in the wall. Basic shit. Run the line through some conduit. Put some clamps on there so that pipe don't move. Next, just run the fiber inside the nid. Put another quick connect on there. Connect it to the bulkhead. Write the information on there. That's what it looks like right there. Straight enough. Light levels inside. And got that white jumper on there. I think it's a 6-footer. It's our equipment there. ONT with the Evo. Nice score, nice speed. They got